Hello friends, this is Kallol Roy from Foetron Academy. I shall be uploading series of videos on Microsoft Excel. I shall be uploading a unique feature through a unique video so that you can refer it in the time of your need. So let's go and see the features. Conditional formatting. To show the conditional formatting features, I have taken the attendance dashboard for my organization and I want to show here the present, that is P as green and absent A as red. How do I do that? Let me select the whole table, then go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, equal to P. I am making it green. Okay, then the absent A as red. Okay, we can do lot of things here: less than, equal to, between, greater than. We can also create new roles as per our choice. Friends, keep watching Foetron Academy channel in YouTube. Hit like, subscribe, and I can assure you will able to learn lot of things on Microsoft technology. Thank you.